Good evening. Another day, another vlog. We're watching another series, Mom Talk. The Secret Lives of Mormon Wives pala. Ayan. Yung group nila, Mom Talk.
I was like, yes. I was like, of course, I want to see it. Of course.
It's 12:17 in the evening. In the morning. Meron tayong makas. Ay! Take a lamig. Fries. Cheeseburger. Quarter pounder for Inday. Meron silang bago ba? Meron na silang wings. McWings. Chicken McWings. And may maliit din na fries ulit. Ay, fries ulit. Chicken McNuggets. That's it. And we are gonna watch a movie. Itong sa Prime. Another Simple Favor. Yan, maganda yan. Kung nakita niyo yung first movie, A Simple Favor, maganda talaga yun na. Tapos this one, Another Simple Favor. Sana mas maganda. Ay, klaro. Okay. Move lang natin yung food kasi mag-watch na tayo. Pero that's our food. Tamis. This is the time. Tomorrow is my day off.
In hindsight, you know, Babel would have been a good choice. By the way, use Dom's for 20% off. Oh, are you kidding me? You want to grab my camp shirts? Someone's gonna laugh at me. No, this is way cooler than a name tag. All the other kids are gonna be jealous. Mad, smooth. We're fighting our last year together. You don't care about embarrassing me? Since the police busted that meth lab that was running out of the senior center. So I wrote this book because the killer was involved in our school. Hi, lovely to see you too, sexy.
First time trying their chicken.
Oh dear. Trouble shoes. Oh shit. Forgot about that. Where are you? You're my best friend. You lit my fucking life on fire, but you saved me. You gave me a clean slate. That's why I'm gonna spend it.
Far from KFC.
Thanks to you, baby.
But it's good, diba? Made yeah.
Yeah, like old fashioned.
There's no KFC. This one is the best now. No. Hi guys, andito tayo sa kwarto and meron lang ako i-share sa inyo. So, in a few weeks time, I think mga 2 weeks na lang siguro, matatapos na yung aming contract dito guys. So, because we've been here for like, I think more than 3 months na naman, nagplano kami ng bakasyon. So, it's been like how many weeks namin tong pinag-isipan kung saan ba kami magbabakasyon. I know, wag muna tayong mag-isip sa aking goal na magkabahay. Magbakasyon muna tayo kasi feeling ko talaga pag nag-start na talaga na makabili na tayo ng land, makapagpagawa na tayo ng bahay. That's the time na feeling ko, baka hindi na ako makapagbakasyon. So, magbakasyon muna tayo, guys. Because, you know, mag-iba na yung priorities natin in the next few months. Anyway, ilang araw na kami nagpaplano, guys, and confirm na talaga kasi nakapag-book na tayo ng flight a few days ago, and we are going to Japan! So, Japan na naman tayo. Nakapunta na kami doon mga 2022. Tama ba, uy? Tama ba na 2022? Basta, i-correct ko na lang yung sarili ko. And then, yun nga, very nice yung ating pagpunta doon. That was after our Philippines na bakasyon, tapos nag-Japan tayo, and that was winter. So, I'm very happy na ibang season na naman ng Japan yung ating makikita kasi July na yan, and it's a celebration of Michelle's birthday as well. So, nakaka-excite. Yung isa pa, guys, hindi lang kaming dalawa yung magbabakasyon this time. This time is kasama namin si Sir Lawrence. It's gonna be fun. And then, kasama din natin yung kapatid ni Michelle, which is kapatid ni Michelle, which is kasama din natin last time na pumunta tayo ng Japan, and also yung mama niya. Because this is gonna be the celebration of her birthday, so of course, sama natin yung pamilya niya. So, yun nga, 4 kami, guys. 5 kami, guys. I feel like magiging masaya to. And first time namin makasama si Sir Lawrence at saka yung mama ni Michelle sa aming gala. So, let's see. But I feel like it's gonna be fun talaga. The more, the merrier naman talaga. So, ayun. And actually, gumagawa na sila ng mga itinerary. And then, since busy ako on something else, iba yung iniisip ko ngayon. Hindi ko pa talaga na-check yung itinerary nila. But I have to really check it kasi nung last time na pumunta kami ng Japan, ay, ang dami kong reklamo. So, kailangan ko siyang i-check this time. Baka pag napunta na kami doon, ay mag-away-away na naman kami. So, ayun lang naman. I'm so happy to announce. Magbabakasyon nga tayo ng Japan. And Japan is my favorite place so far na na-visit ko. So, of course, I've been dying to go back there and of course explore their culture, their food. My God, yung food talaga, guys. Especially sa Osaka, yung napuntahan namin na basta nag-inuman kami doon ni Michelle na sobrang feeling ko, isa yun sa mga highlight talaga ng Japan trip namin na parang lalasing ako and we were riding on a train. At tapos andun kami sa train, tapos ako, grabe yung tawa-tawa ko. Basta, ang saya nung memories namin doon sa Japan talaga. So, I'm looking forward to make new memories. We are gonna go to 3 cities. Tapos mga major na mga cities yung pupuntahan natin. Of course, hindi mawawala yung Osaka, hindi mawawala yung Tokyo, at saka Kyoto. Yung may isa pa sana kaming pupuntahan is Hokkaido, pero parang mas gusto namin i-savor yung time namin sa 3 cities na ito kaysa like, you know, few days lang, like 2 days lang dito, tapos hop na naman to another city. Parang ayaw na namin ng ganun. So, ayun, 3 cities tayo. And yeah, I'm so excited, guys. And happy ako dito kasi of course, mag-vlog tayo. And I'm gonna bring you along with me again sa ating gala. So, ayun. Yun lang. I am actually going through my jewelries, guys. Hindi ko na-share sa inyo na for the past few months na andito ako is may mga nasold talaga tayo na mga jewelries, guys. As in. So, yung kasama ko si Lawrence. Si Sir Lawrence may nabili sa akin. Si Samsters may nabili siya sa akin na I think 2 jewelries. Si Madam Danica din meron siya nabili sa akin na 3 na jewelries. Tapos, yung mga kasama niya din, tinulungan niya ako. May mga nakabili din ng aking mga jewelries, guys. So, currently, konting-konti na lang talaga yung jewelries na naiwan sa akin, guys. I have just posted na, especially sa ating business page, na nagtitinda na ako ulit. Kailangan natin ng side hustle, guys, para sa ating plano na magkabahay. So, here I am again. I'm gonna sell jewelries again, guys. And then, yun nga, konti na lang yung naiwan natin ng mga jewelries. So, ayan. Basta, mga ano na lang siguro to, mga 12 items na lang siguro to. And you know, na very nice yung ating mga jewelries, di ba? That's actually one of the investments talaga na hindi talaga ako nag-regret. Kasi, yung value ng mga gold na binili ko before, ang laki-laki na ng value, guys. Masusuot natin, di ba? For like how many years nating isuot yung gold. Tapos, pag isanla natin, sobra, doble-doble na talaga yung value niya. So, that's actually a very smart investment. So, I highly recommend you follow me. You invest in gold. This is a very nice na jewelry din. This is a VCA na inspired na ring. Ayan. Merong ganito si ate. Nabili niya sa akin. I still have 2. Okay, yung mga jewelry na naiwan sa akin, guys, yun yung mga mahal na jewelry. Like this one, medyo mabigat kasi to siya. Pero sobrang ganda nito. Merong ganito si ate, nabili din niya sa akin. And daily niyang ginagamit, guys. Daily niyang ginagamit. I just don't recommend wearing this, especially if you're working as a nurse or medical professional. Kasi meron akong buyer nito. This is a very fragile. As you can see, ang ganda ng kanyang design. Isa sa mga edges na ito, nakot ng gloves. Of course, nangangain yung latex, guys. So, hindi talaga siya advisable. Like, you wear it to work. So, yun yung nangyari sa jewelry niya. I was very sad for her because kailangan niya talagang ipaayos yun. So, ayun. But other than that, you can wear it every day, gaya ng ginagawa ng ate ko. You wouldn't have any problems as long as hindi mo naman talaga, alagaan mo lang siya. Like, siya naguhugas ng pinggan and whatnot. Walang nangyari. Ilang years na niya talagang suot. So, I have 2 items na size 7. So, if you're interested, just let me know. Kasi sobrang ganda talaga niya. Yan, medyo matagal to siyang naiwan sa akin kasi medyo mabigat siya. And yeah, if you wanna join my live, hindi ako magla-live, uy. If you wanna join my business page, guys, just ililive ko yung link sa description box. Go click that one and then mag-request kayo na maka-join kayo. Yung business page ko kasi, meron akong live selling before, di ba? So, it was private kasi ayoko ng maraming makapag-join sa aking live selling na hindi pala sure buyers. May mga joy-joy tayo before eh. So, private pa rin siya up until now. But I have posted mga jewelries na available. Like this one. Ito, sobrang ganda din ito. Pwede siyang pang lalaki, pwede siyang pang babae. And yeah, makapal. Kaya naiwan kasi medyo mahal. Pero yun na nga, it's a very good investment. Mawi-wear nyo pa every day or for how many years. When you sell it again, doble-doble na yung value. So, you know, you just gotta be smart with your investments. So, I think gold is a really good investment. I'm so happy na meron nga akong na-keep. Marami akong nabudol sa aking business. So, marami na ako na-mind sa aking business. So, ayun. Another one, ipapakita ko sa inyo ha. Kasi konti na lang to, but I'm very proud na magaganda din naman yung mga quality. Magaganda din naman yung mga jewelries na napili ko at tinitinda ko. This one as well is a croissant ring. Ayan. The sad part is, very limited na lang yung sizes. But yeah, if you're interested in any of these items, just let me know. Again, ililink ko sa link sa description box. So, ayan, officially balik na tayo sa ating pagnenegosyo because we need a side hustle para sa ating goals in life. So, yun guys. Please support me if you want. That is. May earrings din ako. Oh. Tsaka meron akong necklace na very thick din. Medyo mabigat na necklace din na hardware necklace. Ganyan. Link necklace. Marami. Okay, andito na yung magpipix ng internet. May internet talaga dito. Problema. Let's go. The internet is fixed. So, ano pala guys? Asa na ba ako? I will have more items guys. Nakapag-order na ako ng more items for our business. So, after ng ating bakasyon sa Japan, I'm gonna post more items and I really hope na i-check nyo siya. Again, I will leave the link sa aking business account sa description box. That's pretty much it for this vlog. Hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!